Hi people at home, welcome back to our channel. Wow, we have something super fun for you today. We are gonna play with the Pup to Hero set. Now, we know the Pup to Hero set works if we put Marshall in and he comes out as Hero Marshall. Let's try it. All right, and turn, and Marshall! Wow, he went from a normal pup to a hero, a firefighting pup. So cool. People at home, what happens if we change our Pup to Hero changer to yellow? Let's see what it does now. Now that our Pup to Hero changer is yellow, I wonder if we can turn one of our other friends into a hero. Let's see. Okay, Greg, let's put you in here. Let's turn our Pup to Hero machine and wow, it's Gecko! Wow, so a different color machine does different things. So cool. People at home, I wonder what happens when we put Connor in our new and improved Pup to Hero changer. We should say friend to hero changer. Let's put in Connor. Turn it. See what happens. I knew it! It's Catboy! Wow, that is so cool! Wow, this is awesome! I wonder if we turn our Pup to Hero changer into blue. Let's see what happens now. Okay, people at home, now that we have a blue Pup to Hero changer, let's put in a doghouse, a soccer ball, and 2 dog bones. I wonder what this is going to be. And we turn our Pup to Hero changer. Hey, it's Bingo from Puppy Dog Pals! That makes sense! A dog house, a soccer ball, and 2 dog bones. So cool! I wonder what else we can put in this new improved Pup to Hero changer and what will come out. Or should I say who will come out? Okay, it looks like we have a book, a crown, and a cup. People at home, can you guess what is going to come out in our new and improved Pup to Hero changer? Let's see. Wow, it's Belle! And she has Chip with her! So cool! This should be interesting. We have a police officer, Pluto, and an O'Toodles. Let's put it in our changer and see what happens. It's Mickey Mouse! And wow, look people at home, he's a police officer. So cool! Wow, people at home, let's change our Pup to Hero changer back to its normal color. Woo! Back to red. Now, let's give it a little magic. Now, let's see if we put in Owlette, who will come out the other side. Do you guys have any guesses at home? Let's see. Bye, Owlette. Bye. Turn it. Wow, it's Amaya! I knew it! That's so cool! Wow, people at home, that was so much fun! Who knew the Pup to Hero changer could do so many cool things? Now, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, wait a minute! Make sure you subscribe to our channel! 1! Get ready for another fun video!
Lucky, we're almost done with my science experiment. Jinkies, this is turning into the best science experiment ever! I can't believe I finally made a plasma cake!
Something smells yummy! Hey, Velma, cake! Just a bite!
Jinky, Scooby, don't eat this cake! This is my science experiment. Now, I need you to promise me that you will not eat any of this cake.
Okay, Velma. It smells really good.
Okay, well, I'll be right back. Okay, Scooby, I'll be back. Keep an eye on it for me.
Okay, I'm gonna keep an eye on this cake. No one's gonna eat it. But I want it. But I shouldn't. But I gotta have it. Just one itsy bitsy tiny bite. Yummy. Ruh-roh, I feel weird. Ruh-roh. Whoa, I feel funny. Huh? I'm a ghost. Ghost. A ghost. What am I gonna do? Oh, I'm a ghost. Ooh, I'm gonna go prank the gang. This is gonna be good. Scooby-Dooby-Doo! Like zoinks, guys! I'm so excited for this picnic. Let's call Scooby right now so he can join us.
Shaggy, that's a great idea. Let's call him now. Oh, that's funny. He's calling us. Hello? Okay, Scooby? Wait, it's an emergency? Oh, okay, Scooby, we're on our way.
Like zoinks, Fred, what was that all about?
Yeah, Fred, what are we gonna do?
Well, Scooby said he needs help at the Haunted Mansion. Let's go! Come on, gang, there's no time to waste.
Like, man, oh man, why did Scoob have to choose the spookiest house in all the neighborhood? Ah! Zoinks, man, I'm not going in there. Sorry, Scoob.
Shaggy, get back here. Scooby needs our help.
Oh man, wait for me! Scooby-Dooby-Doo! Oh, I'm gonna scare them so good! Now all the traps have been set!
Okay, gang. Scooby has to be around here somewhere. Let's split up and find him.
Like, man, oh man, where is Scooby? Zoinks. Oh, I know, I'll check the kitchen. Like, zoinks, man, what's this? He's gonna get it. Whoa, what's going on? Zoinks, I gotta get out of here. Ah! Oh man, normally I'm chasing food, but now the food's chasing me.
I have no idea where Scooby is. This is so frustrating and this place is so scary. Oh, hey there. Daphne, you know what? You look great today. You're beautiful. A good hair day should definitely be acknowledged. Ah! What is this? Ah! Ah! I've been ghost slimed. Ew, 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 ew.
What's that rope doing over there? Interesting. I should investigate. I wonder what happens if I pull it. Jinkies, I hope this is not a trap. Jinkies, that's strange.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo!
Jinkies, what's happening? Oh no! It's haunted! According to my calculations, this is not gonna end well. Oh, Jinkies, what's going on?
Velma, what's going on? Have you found Scooby yet?
Fred, Does it look like I have?
Like Zoinks, Fred, Velma, I've been chased by haunted food.
And look guys, I'm covered in ghost slime. Ew!
Okay, gang, there are no ghosts in this house. Boom.
Like Zoinks, let's get out of here.
Oh, wait, guys, get me down. Huh. Wait just a second. I know that howl. Guys, wait.
Like what's the matter, Velma? We gotta get out of here.
I know who the ghost is.
Who, Velma?
Scooby-Doo, where are you?
Scooby-Doo, here I am. Gotcha.
Scooby-Doo, you pranked us.
Gotcha. Scooby-Doo.
Wow, we had so much fun today playing with Ghost Scooby-Doo and tricking the gang in the Haunted Mansion.
How do you think Scooby should be changed back? Write it in the comments below.
And for more fun videos with Scooby-Doo and the gang, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Twitter and give us a big thumbs up. And today's spelling word is Scooby!
Scooby.
Like Scooby-Doo!
Bye everyone. Thanks for watching.
Hey there everyone! Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the engineering family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there. You can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, PAW Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye!